Oh, um, wow. What up? It's it's me, and today I will be unboxing. They didn't say something on the box. Ting, 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 ting. Kit. As you can see, there was big box, obviously. Let's go inside the box, shall we? There it is. What's inside the box? It's so big, I can't believe it. Let's open it. Here we go. You can see it, but I can't. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Oh cool. Oh cool. So there was two box and the black. There was white one and the black one. They're not racist like the old video, black or red. Black or white. No. I'm sorry. So here we go. We open the black one. I'm not racist. Oh what? There was white again, so I'm not racist, right? Get it? Okay, I don't. Oh, it's probably for the lamb, I guess. Okay. Maybe we have to open it right now. Oh my god, okay. Okay, I see you. Okay, so it will okay. Okay. And that's for the lamb, and maybe this is the lamb. Oh my god, this is big lamb. No paws. What? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, oh my god, here we go. Can you feel this sound? No? Alright, stop. I'm too hot. Oh. Ooh. So big. It's so big. Alright. Let's put them right there again so that I'm not messed it up when it's go down. And then there was two of them because I bought two sets. No, it's one set and then to have two lamb. I can curse, but that's okay. It's gonna be edited out. And the last one is what's called? I hope you got some good weekend, and you do what you have to do. Alright. It's all good. Oh, it's got bubble wrap. Okay, it's the same. Oh yeah. It's got the Alright, I'm gonna put the recorder down so I can do. It's too high, so we're probably the lowest one. It's like umbrella. I'm sorry if the audio is messed up because I'm far away from the recorder and I have to boot this. I'm sorry. Thumbs up? No? It's all good. Okay. Oh. Okay. And then you put the lamb on the shit. I'm too lazy to do this, but it's for you guys. It's all good. Oh. There you go. It's good to go. It's good to go. It's good to go. So we should try it. And what is this white? Okay. You know what? It's balancing between black and white. That's not important. That's not important. It's too messy. All right. I'm too lazy to do this. Okay. And then we have the switch. We have the switch. It's not Nintendo Switch. It's switch on and off. It's not funny at all. So far, so good. Oh. So you have 2 lightning, 3. So you have 2 lightning. That's good. Look at that. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.